How to send Bitcoin on Edge wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to send Bitcoin on Edge wallet. So to send Bitcoin on Edge wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, we're going to log into your Edge wallet account, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So right on top you can see a total balance, and under it you can see two different options, that is send and deposit. If you wish to go ahead and send the Bitcoin, press on send, select the asset, that is whether it's from bank to cash or to Edge from Bash or to another wallet. So I'm going to send it to another wallet and select the asset. Moving on, you need to go ahead and scan all of these in terms and condition, then click on confirm and finish and click on the continue button. Now you need to manually enter in the details of the receiver. You can either go ahead and paste in or manually enter that, or scan the QR code, select either one of it, and then you need to go ahead and confirm the transaction. Then you'll have successfully sent Bitcoin on Edge wallet. So that is how you can send Bitcoin on Edge wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.